Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Arshad. I don't think people understand how crucial nutrients are for our bodies. These nutrients come from the food we eat. They provide energy, support growth, and keep our bodies running smoothly. Three of the most important nutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, and minerals. Carbohydrates are our primary energy source. They fuel our brains, muscles, and every cell in our body. Proteins are the building blocks of our tissues, muscles, and organs. They play a vital role in growth and repair. Minerals are essential for various bodily functions, from strengthening bones to regulating heartbeat. Each of these nutrients plays a unique and crucial role in maintaining our health. Understanding their importance and how they work together can help us make informed dietary choices for a healthier life. Carbohydrates, our energy source. What are carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are one of the three macronutrients, along with proteins and fats. They are made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Our bodies break down carbohydrates into glucose, a simple sugar that serves as our primary energy source. Simple sugars, quick energy boosts. Simple carbohydrates are made up of short chains of sugar molecules. They're found in processed foods, sugary drinks, and some fruits. Simple sugars are absorbed quickly into the bloodstream, providing a rapid energy boost. Examples of simple sugars include glucose, found in fruits, honey, and corn syrup, fructose, found in fruits, honey, and agave nectar, and sucrose, table sugar, made up of glucose and fructose. Complex carbohydrates, long-lasting fuel. Complex carbohydrates are made up of long chains of sugar molecules. They are found in whole grains, legumes, and starchy vegetables. Complex carbohydrates take longer to digest, providing a slow and sustained release of energy. Examples of complex carbohydrates include starches, which are found in potatoes, rice, and corn, and fiber, which is found in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Carbohydrates are essential for providing energy to our bodies. When we consume carbs, they are broken down into glucose, which enters the bloodstream. This glucose is then used by our cells for energy, or stored in the liver and muscles for later use. It's important to balance our carbohydrate intake to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. From plate to energy, carbohydrate, digestion and absorption. Digestion of carbohydrates starts in the mouth. The salivary glands release enzymes that begin to break down starches. In the small intestine, carbohydrates are further broken down into glucose. Glucose is then absorbed into the bloodstream and transported to the liver. The liver stores glucose as glycogen or releases it into the bloodstream for energy. Choosing the right carbs, healthy versus unhealthy sources. Not all carbohydrates are created equal. Simple sugars found in processed foods and sugary drinks can lead to energy spikes and crashes, weight gain, and an increased risk of chronic diseases. Complex carbohydrates found in whole grains, legumes, and vegetables provide sustained energy, fiber, and essential nutrients. Choosing complex carbohydrates over simple sugars is crucial for maintaining good health. The impact of carbohydrates on health. Carbohydrates are essential for providing energy to the body, but consuming too many or too few can have health impacts. Benefits of carbohydrates include providing energy for the body and brain, supporting digestive health, and helping to regulate blood sugar levels. However, there are risks of excessive carbohydrate intake, such as weight gain and increased risk of type 2 diabetes and heart disease. On the other hand, inadequate carbohydrate intake can lead to fatigue and weakness, nutrient deficiencies, and difficulty concentrating. Proteins, the body's building blocks. Understanding proteins and amino acids. Proteins are essential nutrients made up of building blocks called amino acids. They are crucial for building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and supporting immune function. Amino acids are linked together in chains to form different types of proteins. Our bodies require 20 different amino acids, but we can only produce some of them. The remaining amino acids, called essential amino acids, must be obtained through our diet. Different types of proteins and their roles. Proteins are classified based on their source and function. Animal proteins are found in meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy products. They provide all essential amino acids. Plant proteins are found in legumes, nuts, seeds, and soy products. They may not provide all essential amino acids in sufficient amounts. Structural proteins provide support and structure to tissues such as collagen and keratin. Enzymes catalyze biochemical reactions in the body, such as digestive enzymes. Hormones are chemical messengers that regulate various bodily functions, such as insulin and growth hormone. The power of protein. How our body digests and absorbs proteins. Protein digestion begins in the stomach. Stomach acid and enzymes break down proteins into smaller chains of amino acids. In the small intestine, these chains are further broken down into individual amino acids. Amino acids are then absorbed into the bloodstream and transported to the liver. The liver uses amino acids to build new proteins or converts them into glucose for energy. Protein powerhouses exploring food sources. Incorporating a variety of protein sources into our diet is essential for obtaining all essential amino acids. Animal-based protein sources include lean meat like chicken, turkey, and fish, eggs, which are a complete protein source, and dairy products such as milk, yogurt, and cheese. Plant-based protein sources include legumes like beans, lentils, and chickpeas, nuts and seeds such as almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds, and soy products like tofu, tempeh, and edamame. Protein needs. How much do you really need? Protein requirements vary depending on age, sex, activity level, and overall health. The recommended daily intake for adults is 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Individuals who are more active, pregnant, breastfeeding, or recovering from an illness may require higher protein intake. The effects of protein on health. Protein plays a vital role in maintaining overall health, but consuming too much or too little can have health implications. Benefits of protein include building and repairing tissues, supporting muscle growth and maintenance, promoting satiety and weight management, and regulating hormones and enzymes. However, there are risks of excessive protein intake, such as kidney strain, dehydration, and nutrient deficiencies. On the other hand, inadequate protein intake can lead to muscle loss and weakness, impaired immune function, and slow wound healing. Minerals, the unsung heroes. Minerals, tiny but mighty nutrients. Minerals are inorganic substances that our bodies need in small amounts to function properly. They are essential for a wide range of bodily functions, including bone health, nerve function, and fluid balance. Unlike vitamins, minerals cannot be broken down by the body and are not destroyed by heat or light. Essential minerals, macro and trace. Minerals are classified into two categories, macro minerals and trace minerals. Macro minerals are required in larger amounts, such as calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, sodium, potassium, and chloride. Trace minerals, on the other hand, are needed in smaller amounts, including iron, zinc, copper, manganese, iodine, selenium, and fluoride. Each mineral plays a specific role in maintaining our health. Calcium is essential for strong bones and teeth, muscle function, and nerve transmission. Iron carries oxygen throughout the body and supports energy production. Sodium regulates fluid balance and blood pressure. Potassium supports muscle function, nerve transmission, and blood pressure regulation. Zinc boosts immune function, wound healing, and cell growth. Deficiencies in minerals can lead to various health problems. For example, iron deficiency can cause anemia, while calcium deficiency can lead to osteoporosis. Excessive intake of certain minerals can also be harmful. For example, too much sodium can contribute to high blood pressure. Consuming a balanced and varied diet is crucial for obtaining all the essential nutrients, including carbohydrates, proteins, and minerals. Focus on incorporating whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, and oats. Aim for a variety of colors when it comes to fruits and vegetables. Lean protein sources like chicken, fish, beans, and lentils are important. Don't forget low-fat dairy products like milk and yogurt. And of course, healthy fats from avocado, nuts, and seeds. Limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and saturated and unhealthy fats. Talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian to determine your individual nutrient needs and create a personalized meal plan. Carbohydrates, proteins, and minerals are essential nutrients that play vital roles in maintaining our health. Understanding their functions, sources, and recommended intake can help us make informed dietary choices. By consuming a balanced and varied diet rich in whole foods, we can provide our bodies with the nutrients they need to thrive. Remember, food is fuel, and choosing the right fuel can make all the difference in our overall well-being. When we talk about minerals, we're referring to the essential elements that our body needs to function optimally. Let's delve deeper into some of these vital minerals, their uses, and the best food sources to include in our diet. First, we have calcium. It's not just for strong bones and teeth, but also plays a role in blood clotting, muscle contraction, and nerve signaling. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt, as well as leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale, are excellent sources of calcium. Next is potassium. This mineral helps regulate fluid balance, muscle contractions, and nerve signals. It's crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Bananas, oranges, potatoes, and spinach are rich sources of potassium. Let's move on to iron. Iron is essential for the formation of hemoglobin, which carries oxygen from our lungs to the rest of the body. Iron-rich foods include red meat, beans, lentils, and fortified cereals. Ensuring adequate iron intake helps prevent anemia and boosts energy levels. Magnesium is another important mineral. It supports muscle and nerve function, blood sugar control, and bone health. Nuts, seeds, whole grains, and green leafy vegetables are great sources of magnesium. Zinc is vital for immune function, wound healing, DNA synthesis, and cell division. You can find zinc in meat, shellfish, legumes, and seeds. Ensuring sufficient zinc intake is essential for a robust immune system. Lastly, we have selenium. This trace mineral plays a key role in metabolism and thyroid function. Brazil nuts, seafood, and whole grains are good sources of selenium. Including a variety of these mineral-rich foods in our diet can help us maintain optimal health and prevent deficiencies. Remember, balance and moderation are key to a healthy diet. By understanding the importance of these minerals and their food sources, we can make better dietary choices that support our overall well-being. Minerals are essential nutrients that our body needs to function correctly. They play a crucial role in various bodily functions, including bone health, muscle function, and the nervous system. There are two types of minerals: macrominerals and trace minerals. Macrominerals are needed in larger amounts, while trace minerals are required in smaller quantities. Some important minerals include calcium, potassium, and iron. Ensuring a balanced intake of these minerals is vital for maintaining overall health.